How to transfer PayPal to PayPal. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can transfer from PayPal to PayPal, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To transfer money from PayPal to PayPal, first of all open up the PayPal application and then just make sure that you're signed into the account. Then you'll find an option right at the top that says send money from your phone, so you can tap on the send now option here. All you have to do is just simply enter the username of the person you're trying to send money to, and then you need to make sure they have a PayPal account here. Now after you go ahead and enter them, you can simply enter a certain amount of dollars that you would like to add here. Once you have done that, you can just tap on it, and now you can just go ahead and then basically send the money. Now in my case, I cannot send money because my account is not verified, but if your account is verified, you'll be able to select the number here, and then you can simply go ahead and then enter and then send money to them. This way you should be able to go ahead and then send from PayPal to PayPal. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.